Welcome property viewers, welcome to Paradise Bay. I'm Crystal Chung, the lead agent on this unit. I'm going to give you a quick tour of the penthouse unit and I really hope you like it. Alright, come with me. Alright, so as you enter the unit, you walk into the most beautiful double height space. Natural lighting from floor to ceiling. We have aluminum doors and windows with impact resistant glass. We have a VRF system which functions as a central air system, but it's a lot more efficient. We have a fully integrated kitchen. What you see here is a wall oven, wall microwave, cooktop, an induction hood that comes out of the countertop, and it basically takes the smoke off your cooking. White quartz countertop, very good storage space. There's also a garbage disposal here. We also have additional racking for your seasonings and stuff. We also have additional storage with a hydraulic system. We have a space for dishwasher and a space for a fridge. We also have a pantry space here, which will have a little door, so that would be additional storage and pantry space. We have linen closet. We have laundry. This is the smaller of the two bedrooms. It comes complete with its own bathroom and closet. has its own balcony, its own bathroom. Once again, the captivating view of the ocean. Alright, so let's take a look upstairs. At the foot of the stairs, you have your half bath or your powder room. And the stairway is naturally lit by these high windows, so you have good natural light coming into the space. It's very wide and allows for a very comfortable to your landing space, which can be used as an entertainment space. We have also put a 250 square foot entertainment space off your master suite, and we've created this door in case you don't want your guests to walk through your master to enjoy the deck on the outside. Alright, so we have your own infinity plunge pool, which is heated with the most captivating view of the ocean right off your master suite. And of course your master suite, which it folds onto the sliding bifold doors. It gives you an open feel of being out on this balcony when you're in your master suite. Master suite walks into your closet and bathroom with lovely his and her space and a motion detector lighting system. His and her basin, lots of storage along the vanity. It's the 3-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom, 3,000 square feet, 3,000 square foot penthouse at Paradise Bay.